ke di-challenges tse feng tse e leng gore o kopane le tsona from Kosgela?
Nna Kosgela ne ke na le issue ya finance first of all.
Yeah.
Cause kwa le go ne ke tsena ene batho ba bantši ga ba botse gore tsene after a re ke chess boy wa tota nna re kene ka dikoloto ta ba dura yes but re kene re kopa tšhelete kae I think in terms of Sgela, that was the main challenge.
Yeah.
After Sgela, after graduation, the challenge was now finding a gig. Because industrial, when I'm sure you will knock. You will knock.
Yeah.
Also,
yeah.
Yeah. So, that was a very big challenge. Because I graduated March or May, October 2019.
Yeah.
Spana sitsene. I don't know, planning ke nyere license ya public because
okay.
Ke tla zula nyana ke license ya public.
Yeah.
Ke khona re go nyaka koloi ya spana mo Uber.
Oh yeah.
Ke tla no be ke
pushanya na solanga we met something.
Why one?
Yeah.
Then okay, challenging e bile o batla agent but okay, that wasn't for too long.
Yeah.
Ke he ba ntse ya go Star Quality. Ba nna ntse ba ngoromela di auditions tsa di advert wara mola le mola but still mergo sa tsene fund one.